question. Only blue counters, green counters, red counters and yellows in a bag. George is going to take a counter at random. Okay, we know that there must be, the total must add up to 1. Okay, so 0.5 plus 0.2, I'm going to do it down here, 0.5, 0.2, 0.25. Remember, put in zeros. Okay, let's have a look. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.95. So what do I have to add up to make 1? And it must be, sorry, 0.05. Okay, so I'm going to put that in 0.05 there. Okay, 120 counters in the bag. Work out the number of green counters. So green is 0.2, so I do 120 times 0.2. Well, 120 times 2 would be 240, but it's 0.2, so it must be 24. Next question. There are only red counters, blue counters, green counters and yellow in a bag. The table shows the probability of picking at random a red and picking a yellow. The probability of picking a blue counter is the same as the probability of picking a green counter. Okay, so remember, they've got to add up to 1. So I've got 0.24 plus 0.32. I'm going to show the examiner all my workings. So 2 and 3 is 5, so I've got 0.56. So what do I have to add onto that to make 1? Well, 6 add 4 would make 10, and 5 and 1 is 6, plus another 4, okay, would make 1. So 0.44. So 0.44 is blue and green, so I have to halve them. Show the examiner what I've done. 0.22. So each of these must be 0.22. Okay. Next question. Very similar. The table shows the probabilities that the spinner will land on 1, 3, 4. Find an expression in terms of x for the probability it will land on 2. So we know 0.3 plus 0.1 plus x plus whatever 2 is equal to 1. So 0.3 plus 0.1 is 0.4. So plus x plus my whatever 2 is equal to 1. So whatever 2 is must be 1 minus 0.4 minus x. And I can tidy that up and say that's 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6 minus x. So I'm going to put 0.6 minus x in there. Denzel spins the spinner 300 times. How likely is it to be on a 3? Okay, so you just want an expression. So you're just going to do 300 times 0.6. Sorry, start again. Oops. Cancel, hang on, what have I done? Okay, where was I up to? Sorry about that. Whoops, I'm a learner driver here. Yeah. Are we back? Okay. Sorry about that. Where was I? I hope you're not getting dizzy here. Okay. So, right. Find an expression, probability that spin will land on 2. So we did that. I think I lost a little bit of it. So we'll go back to it. So I'd got 0.4 plus x plus 2 equals 1. Taking it to the other side, whatever 2 was is 1 minus 0.4 minus x, which is 0.6 minus x. So let's put that there. 0.6 minus x. I think I lost it somehow. Right, he's spinning it 300 times. How many times is it going to land on a 3? Well, 3 is x. So you just do 300 times x, and we don't write the times in algebra. Next question. Probability tree diagram. write the probability of winning both games. So a win and a win. When you say and in probability, you multiply. And when you say or, you go down and you add. So a win and a win is 0.2 times 0.3. Show the examiner because you'll get 1 mark for that. 2 3s are 6. However, we've got 2 decimal places.